Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here. In today's video, we're going to go over training the second section of Chum Kiu on the wooden dummy with application. This will help you with fluidity and greater understand your Chum Kiu form and then a better understanding of the wooden dummy. But before we do that, I need you to go over and click the buttons to like and subscribe and hit the bell to always be kept with our latest videos. Thank you and have a great day.
So let's look at the second section of Chum Kiu on the wooden dummy practice. So it's the reverse lop. So I'm going to step back and do a reverse lop. So you always have to judge your distance because the dummy is not going to move. So reverse lop, so with either hand you can grab either arm, doesn't matter. So either one comes in, and then so in the form it's the reverse lop with the front kick. So the arms are going to kind of get in the way, so your kick will be mid-level. Reverse lop, front kick. Even though in the form you do 3 bone cells, I have 2 here for the arm. 1, 2, I'm going to step outside, take my pock around, and follow my palm strike. So if you want to use the foot cell section from here, set for foot, you can come around, check, Yun Gurk, check. 1, 2, and do your mid-level palm strike. So let's look at that on the left again. Reverse lop cell, front kick. I can only do 2 because I have the 2 arms, unless you want to repeat one here. Move outside, Yun Sao, Pak Sao, palm strike. Set for foot. Come around, Dai Yun, Yun Gurk. Pak 1 and 2. Remember, this resembles this example of 1 arm, even though it's 2 here. And palm strike, and then close. So on the opposite side, just from the film angle, stepping off the line, the reverse lop, front kick, bong sao. Moving outside, the pak sao, the palm strike, set back up for the foot, come around foot, Dayun, pak sao, and palm strike. So let's look at a couple applications. So in the form, it's generally a heel kick to the face, but you could be dealing with something cross or parallel side. So from here, we're going to start from a cross arm position. I'm taking a side neutral stance. Keith is going to step in with a straight punch. I'm going to step back with the reverse lop cell. So one more time. Step back with reverse lops. Now, since the arm is here, you know you can't go to the face, so you can take the ribs, or if you don't want to keep contact in the street, take the knee. So one more time. Step off the line, the reverse lops out, the front kick. Another round punch comes in from here. Bong. So here on the Chum Kiu section, we're not using the lop from the bone, but my Wu Sao hand comes around to push this out of the way to take the palm strike. If you chose to use the Fut Sao from here, round punch comes in, I'm going to come over the foot to my pock, stepping in and strike. That's just application. You don't fight with a form. So before the question comes up from here, you know he's going to throw that punch. So when that punch comes in, you can either use your pak sao or a bong sao. So remember, touch one hand, look at the other. And another aspect of when I'm using my chi sao, because when that hand comes, this hand has to move. So in Wing Chun, we have a forward intent. As I'm pressing here, when he pushes that arm out, I can feel this come back. Go ahead to deal with it. So I feel it and I see it. 2 stimuluses for the same technique. Now, we can take this parallel. So if I'm either in a front stance or a side neutral, he steps in and throws the hook. Again, I'm going to take the back step, and this opens up this whole line from here. So then the heel kick would come to the chin. To stay within the form, he has to double up and throw this round punch. Come through again. Here's my bone. Hyun to pak, take my palm strike low or high.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.